Hello everyone. So today we have some of our subscribers ask some questions on our YouTube videos. So we will answer their questions one by one. So please stay with us in this video and then you will be able to get the answer as well. Now the question is, what certifications or qualifications do you have for the PPC side of things? We in Softrix we have a certification in almost all the mainstream platforms. We are Google certified partner. We also have the certification in the Microsoft ads. We also have the certification for the Amazon side of things. Along with, we also have certification for the LinkedIn and then for the Pinterest. We are Google certified from the last 10 plus years, and we have been able to maintain the Google conditions to be Google certified. Like Google has some conditions related to the spend of $10,000 in our MCC. The optimization score should be above 80%. Also in Google we have given almost all the exams out there. There are 6 to 7 exams. This includes like Google search, display, video, shopping, etc. Along with, we are also Google Analytics certified. We will give our WhatsApp number on the screen. You can WhatsApp us anytime and I will be able to get back to you as soon as I can.